Planning a move in Sydney can be stressful, but choosing the right removalist makes all the difference. To help you find the best service for your needs, we've ranked the top 10 removalists in Sydney based on customer reviews, reliability, and overall quality of service. Number 10. Kent Removals and Storage. Kent Removals and Storage is a household name in the Australian moving industry, with a legacy that spans decades. Known for their professionalism and expertise, they offer comprehensive moving solutions, including local and interstate relocations, secure storage facilities, and insurance options for added peace of mind. Kent utilizes cutting-edge logistics technology to ensure seamless transitions, whether you're moving a small apartment or a large office. Their strong reputation for reliability and careful handling of belongings has made them a go-to choice for those seeking stress-free relocations in Sydney. Number 9. Optimove. Optimove is a premier removalist company in Sydney, renowned for its comprehensive moving services and unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. With over 13 years of experience, they specialize in local and interstate moves, offering tailored solutions to meet diverse client needs. Their services encompass packing, unpacking, secure storage options, and specialized handling of delicate items, ensuring a seamless and stress-free relocation experience. Optimove's team of professional removalists is dedicated to providing efficient and reliable service, making them a trusted choice for those seeking quality moving assistance in Sydney. Number 8. Man and His Van. Man and His Van is a trusted name in Sydney's removalist industry, renowned for their exceptional service in office relocations and secure storage solutions. With years of experience, they specialize in handling complex moves with precision and care, ensuring every item is transported safely and efficiently. Their team is praised for professionalism and a customer-focused approach, whether it's managing delicate antiques or executing large-scale relocations. Man and His Van's commitment to making the moving process smooth and stress-free has earned them a strong reputation as one of Sydney's most reliable removalists. Number 7. Sydney City Removalists. Sydney City Removalists bring over a decade of expertise to every move, offering comprehensive services tailored to both residential and commercial needs. Renowned for their meticulous handling of delicate and valuable items, including antiques and fragile belongings, they prioritize care and professionalism in every relocation. Their experienced team ensures punctuality and attention to detail, making the moving process smooth and stress-free. Whether you're packing, unpacking, or managing a complex move, Sydney City Removalists are a trusted choice for those seeking reliability and top-notch service in Sydney. Number 6. The Van That Can. The Van That Can is a boutique removalist service in Sydney, specializing in small-scale moves with a personalized touch. Perfect for students, renters, or individuals with minimal belongings, their team is known for being friendly, efficient, and highly attentive. Their compact vans are ideal for navigating Sydney's bustling streets, ensuring a hassle-free moving experience. Customers often praise their flexibility, reliability, and ability to handle each item with care, making the Van That Can a go-to option for stress-free, affordable relocations in Sydney. Number 5. Two Men and a Truck. Two Men and a Truck is a trusted name in Sydney's moving industry, offering reliable and efficient services for small to medium-sized relocations. With a focus on affordability and flexibility, they provide secure and timely transport for residential and office moves alike. Their transparent pricing model, free from hidden fees, makes them a popular choice among budget-conscious customers. Whether you need help with packing, unpacking, or furniture assembly, their skilled and friendly team ensures a smooth and hassle-free moving experience every time. Number 4. Quick Move. Quick Move is a standout choice for fast, affordable, and efficient moving services in Sydney. Known for their flexibility and reliability, they cater to both last-minute and planned relocations with equal ease. Their services include furniture disassembly, reassembly, and secure packing, ensuring that every item is transported safely. Customers frequently praise their friendly team, competitive pricing, and ability to handle moves of all sizes with care and professionalism. For those seeking a stress-free and budget-conscious relocation, Quick Move consistently delivers excellent results. Number 3. Smooth Moves. Smooth Moves lives up to its name by delivering seamless and stress-free moving experiences for Sydney residents. Renowned for their expertise in handling large furniture and delicate items, They have become a favorite choice for families and individuals seeking meticulous care for their belongings. Their experienced staff are well-trained in efficient packing, transportation, and unpacking, ensuring every aspect of the move is organized and professional. Customers consistently praise Smooth Moves for their reliability, attention to detail, and ability to make even the most challenging relocations a breeze. Number 2. Move Me Sydney. Move Me Sydney has established itself as one of the most reliable and customer-focused removalists in the city. They specialize in both residential and office relocations, offering high-quality service paired with competitive pricing. Their skilled team handles every aspect of the moving process, from packing and transportation to unpacking at your new location, ensuring a seamless experience. With a reputation for being friendly, professional, and efficient, Move Me Sydney is often praised for their ability to tackle challenging moves while maintaining exceptional care for their clients' belongings. Their additional services, such as packing materials and insurance, make them a top choice for those seeking stress-free relocations. Number 1. On Wheels Removals. At the top of the list is On Wheels Removals, a company celebrated for their reliable, efficient, and customer-focused service. Known for their personalized moving solutions, they go above and beyond to ensure every move is smooth and hassle-free. With options like short-term storage, furniture assembly, and professional packing, On Wheels Removals has earned glowing reviews for their punctuality, attention to detail, and outstanding care for customers' belongings. It's no wonder they're considered the best removalist in Sydney. Thank you for exploring Sydney's top removalists with us. We hope this list helps you find the perfect team for your next move. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might be planning their own relocation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates and recommendations. See you in the next video.